Congratulations on ordering your 5-piece acrylic overlay set. Please read the printed set of instructions before beginning this tutorial, as it lists your tools needed and other important information. Step 1. Carefully remove the Ford ovals from the sticky cardboard. Be careful when doing this. If the protective plastic paper is removed from the back of the oval, carefully stick it back on. Step 2. The first crucial step in applying the overlay is cleaning. Make sure the emblem is clean by using a multi-surface cleaner. You can use Windex or any multi-surface cleaner you have available. Make sure to get all the parts of the emblem moving from outer to inner. Step 3. Remove one of the alcohol wipes provided to you and wipe the entire emblem, removing any leftover chemicals. Again, working your way from outer to inner, allowing 20 seconds to dry. Step 4. This is an important step. Carefully remove the Ford lettering from the oval backing. The corners may stick, so just give them a gentle pull. Do not cut any of the letters as they are pre-cut. Stick them aside and remove a 3M bonding wipe from the package. Wipe the entire emblem, focusing on the outer ring and wiping into the middle. Do not let the bonding adhesion sit for more than 3 minutes, as repositioning the emblem later on may become difficult. Make sure you have the necessary things in front of you, as you do not want the adhesion prep drying, making it harder to work with in the next step. You will be stationary, so get comfortable. Step 5. Remove the plastic backing to the Ford oval. This is the piece the letters are sitting inside of. Choose either the left or the right corner and stick one side down. Line up the overlay at the top of the mounted emblem, ensuring that both sides of the overlay meet the corners evenly. If they don't panic. You can remove that corner and position it properly. Once you have successfully lined up one corner, the top, and the other corner of the overlay, with a little force, pull the bottom of the overlay down, pushing it onto the mounted emblem. Now, press your hand down around the overlay, ensuring proper bonding adhesion. Step 6. Take the second 3M bonding wipe out of the package and bend it in half, lengthwise. Using the bonding wipe, wipe the inside of the Ford lettering, ensuring that the wipe has made contact with the mounted emblem. Doing this will ensure a stronger bond with the emblem. If you need to go over them a second time, now is your chance to do so. You can never have enough bonding adhesion. Step 7. Now that you have your bonding prep completed, quickly take your X-Acto knife and remove the plastic backing to the F and set it inside its spot. Remove the backing for the ORD section and place it inside the oval. Push with your index finger to ensure that you are properly sitting inside the oval and adhering. Step 8. Take your second 3M wipe and wipe the outside of the emblem along the inner and outer ring sections. Again, doing so will ensure the ring bonds properly to the mounted emblem. Once completed, quickly and carefully remove the backing to the inner ring and place it on the mounted emblem. Step 9. Finally, take the plastic backing off the outer ring and set it over the inner ring, securing it in its spot. Take 30 seconds to push with your fingers all around the emblem, focusing on the outer ring and inner rings as well as the Ford lettering. Make sure you have pushed all the sides down enough and you are confident with its ability to bond.